So we're here. Yay! Hagala din.
Rate mo, rate. 10 mo. 10? Oo. 8. Kasi parang medyo...
Ay, mga 9.
Ako 8.
Harap. Bisa sobrang tabis. Good morning, guys. So today is August 21, Wednesday. And meron na kaming pasok. And it's already 6, I think 6:50. And I will be attending 2 classes today, which is the venipuncture and pharmacology and 1 GE. Actually, I'm a second year RadTech student, and my subjects ngayong sem is like positioning, computer and digital radiography. I don't know, yun lang yun. Basta may film analysis din ata kami. I'm actually excited to meet my friends kasi matagal din yung vacation namin, like 3 months. Supposedly, dapat 19 pa yung pasok namin. However, may suspension because of the snow. So, to see my friends. So yeah, I'm done. See you in school.
Hi guys! Just finished our first class. Hi guys! So, meron kaming 1 hour break. Tapos lang ng 8 to 10 p.m. and then next is 11. So, meron kaming 1 hour break.
Mamaya, boycott ka na.
Punta kami sa ano? Sa ang tawag doon kami? Director's room. So, hindi kami makonect sa wifi. So, pupunta kami doon sa ayun. Nagko-connect ang wifi. Uy, natagal yung iPad ko. My favorite. Uy, hindi ba may nakaupo na kanila? Wala, mali. Kaya nag-try ko yung first day. Wala, yung first day. Pinagyan mo naman ang ulo! So, punta kami sa lab. Magtutour kami. First time. We're going to the X-ray room. Yes! For the first time. Sa lab. Dito yun sa basement. Yeah. We're excited. I'm excited. Yeah. First time ko makakita ng bituka. Joke lang. Makikilala natin si Deborah. Ayan, si Deborah. But we're kind of nervous kasi baka may tanongin si Miss. Wala akong naalala. Wala rin akong naalala. Alam ko lang, katod, negative. Negative. Anode, positive. Sila nang bahat. So, what are you like most exciting about this year? Second year, yeah. Second year. Lahat. For me, interesting kasi, for me, interesting yung subject. Pero, oo nga. Agree ako dyan. Agree ako dyan. Kaya nung nakasunod, sabi ko, wala, excited ako, pero ayoko pa maghirap. Pinakabahan nga ako. May venipuncture kami. So, pinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako takot sa karayom, pero takot akong magtusok ng iba. Takot akong magtusok ng iba. Pero hindi ako takot sa karayom. Less tulog. But more run. Yeah. May position. Tapos may positioning din kami, guys. Excited ako. Kailangan daw kasi malamig palagi yung machines. Kasi pag mainit, baka sumabog. Diba? So, ready na ba tayo mag-asipon araw-araw kasi malamig?
Dami-dami siya hair niya.
True assembly. Okay. So, expand mo pa konti pataas. Yung, yan. Okay, good na yan. Oh. Ibig sabihin, good ka konti. Okay. Pagka in-extray natin siya, kung ano yung nasasako doon, kasi yung isa lang, hindi siya bumili. Pero,
wow, look at the LED, girl. Mabigat? Oh my God. Okay, I wanna try. Check! Talikod tayo. So, tapos na po yung venipuncture namin. And dito kami sa, hindi ko alam, basta yung bagong place dito. Yung upuan dito sa labas. And then, lunch kami kasi until 6:30 kami. And I'm having siomai rice. Wait lang, sa inyo, wait. What are you having?
I'm having this cake.
How much?
120.
Ikaw, Jamie.
I'm having,
Popcorn.
potato corner.
Wow, cheese.
97 pesos.
Ikaw, Rian.
I had 2 pieces. Roll from Shanshika.
Wow, how much?
115.
Good morning, everyone. So, today is Thursday already. And grabe, napagod ako kahapon. Like, super, I don't know kung bakit ako napagod. Like, nag-orientation lang naman kami. Tour. Meron kaming event today, which is the General Assembly, which ng lahat ng department. I'll see you guys at school. Hi guys. Ayan sila. Ayan. Nasaan kami ngayon? Galing kami sa Sa Oval. Kasi wala na daw. Puno na daw yung Animo Center Tagalina. So, wala kami magawa. Kami siniksik. Nag-register din kami and then pumunta kami din sa Oval kasi wala kami matambayan. Super init. Hindi pa parinig sa likod. Let's unbox. I got this from Lau, yung classmate namin. Kasi pumunta siya sa Japan and then she gave us some little keychain, I think, or something like this. And then birthday gift from Jamie. Oh, thank you, Jamie! And then some candies. Thank you, Jamie. And then from Lau, so I got it and we'll open. Ayaw magpabukas. Wala! Cute! Oh, Melody. My Melody. Thank you, Lau.
Guys, we're having avocado shake. How was the taste? How was the taste?
Alin, ito? Ito.
Hindi, ito.
10 over 10.
10 over 10. Ako din. It's a 10 over 10.
Sa district. Dito nakarating kami.
To get some good.
Tik-tak, tok-tak.
I'll get your,
Tik-tak, tok-tak.
Hindi, balik ka natin.
Practice na to sa thesis.
Guys, wait na. Hanggang 5 lang. Ayoko na nga! For sure, Mom. The one who pays the bills. And the children. Guys, we're in Mika's crib. So, ngayon, what are we gonna do? Magluluto kami ng pancit canton. Yan ang next step. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Easy na.
Free pics, guys, for you.
Ay, kaya ko ba?
Dumi!
Ay, 3, 2, 1. Box. Square.
Bread!
Oh, grabe.
Galing, perfect.
Meal. Box. Meal box. Oh, galing. Ano kung meal yung productivity na sagot? Clock. Orange.
Ayos na.
Ano yun?
Yes.
Di ba kayo pa po?
Uyabang. Perfect. Wait, tapos ano ba? Sarap ako kapag.
Wala.
Nakakaawan.
Kakamig. Wala.
Sinong mapala.
Wala?
Tapos maganda ka dyan.
Ang konti naman.
Ako, dalas na araw na to. Ang ba talaga?